RR5 with extended chassis. Got some Akill racing wheels on this thing, Vitavon B locks. This thing should be pretty wild. It's gonna get a first run with these wheels, see how it does. I assume it's gonna be pretty crazy. I'm not looking for crazy top speed, but I will check out the speeds, all right? See the speed be good. All right, let's see how she goes. Woo! Whoa, she's fast. We lost the GPS. Oh shit. Motorwire came out. Wow. Let's see if we can find a GPS. Where's the GPS, man? Come on. Stop. Read. Doing 62 here. It's not too bad. Just tired of losing GPS with this thing. But yeah, she dips. Jeez, tearing up grass, yo. This is crazy. This is great. We're just gonna hit start. All right. So let's see what we can get. All right. No biggie. Nothing crazy speed. We're just trying to do upper 60s. thing is wild. She is wild. Good Lord. I know y'all seen that. She is just going crazy. You see how fast that was? Let me just straighten out my batteries. Batteries came a little loose on that barrel roll. See how fast she did. Stop, read. Just 78 miles an hour. 78 miles an hour. Wow. That is crazy. I mean, the spikes look good. That is crazy, yo. 78 miles an hour. Y'all see that? Let's see what data we got with the hobbywing. Alright, so we pulled some crazy amps on that. We reached as high as 457 amps. Good Lord. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Man. This looks like this popped out, so I gotta redo that. That looks fine. I think that might have popped out because I freaking I got this thing pinned sideways, and when it pins sideways, it's barrel rolled. So that's probably why that side came out. You know, I'll show a video later on because that joker, it freaking I slid and it locked. I guess it locked right there. When it locked right there, that freaking barrel rolled.